Myntri ke Tnat permi Bording ke Jela Meghalaya Abu Tahir Mandal ha kasi baar jong tayo. Ulong ba ke Jingnang Jingman jong ke Jingdan ko ha ke Pung Umïam haduk menta kadang biang. Nrei ulapan pau ke Sngewkhia halor ke Jingnang Hiar ko ha ke Pung. Namar lada kasdang banduna bha kala ban kata ajor ke Jing permi Bording elektrik ha ke Jela. Myntri ke Tnat permi Bording ke Jela Mandal ulapan pau ke Sngewkhia halor ke Jingnang Hiar ko ha ke Pung Umïam. Daga bapen pau bag jingnuna ko ha ke Pung Umïam kan sakta ke jing penmi Bording. Haba kira ni gelat patai kubor ha ke kat santrik unai tung arajar arpusan weti mandal ulang bag jingdan ko menta ha ke Pung Umïam kadang biang. Ndai ke jinglong jingman kala ban kala bag ni ke syong ha ke ni ke ayam liur. Myntri ulang ba menta kan nang kloi palat ban batai lada ke jinglong jingman kan lam ke jing penjari ya ke jing penlep Bording. Haba keli ke jingluna uslap akan ketaan bagi projek permi Bording kentup yang Alaska. Witi mandal ulang belada ke porliur yob hayu slap ke kadon. Bagi jing permi Bording ru kabun. Henry lada duna ke jing hap slap ke jing permi Bording ru kan cakta. Daga bakedau ya ke ganol ke belak ban permi Bording hadu arpuar poin san megawatt. Mentana ke jing ter uslap berangsyan kinyut kinyer kilalang haganol. Nrei hagini gisngi kilala ban penmi wat hadu arpusau megawatt ke momot bal penmi hitam hadu iwei poin san megawatt. Kumta ulang bakat nang bun ko kan nang yarap susu ke jing penmi Bording. Myntri ulapan pau baga pisa baga jelak hak ban seus ke company ke sarkar pedeng kum genip ko NTPC bat power grid kaladuna. Ban menta ulang barang persang ban sio no ek pisa bandrus pa andro pusau klur tengka balapan sa ke NTPC bahap ban sio hapok ke senam arajar arpuhnyo.
It is not that it is not a matter of concern. We wish that water will come soon and fill up the reservoir. We are working closely. I am more tense than you are. No, releasing water is not a question that we are releasing water to just go out of the reservoir. The way we are telling that we are releasing the water outside of our tunnels and all these things. No, when energy will be generated, water will reset automatically. No, lean period last time, yes, we had sufficient power with us. So we thought that as power is already available with us, let us close this gate. So that's how we got more water accumulated in the reservoir. See, as of now we are okay, but I don't know how long monsoon will elude us, and it will depend on all that.
Has this lane monsoon has affected Alaska and the Hiar also?
See, the thing is that when the monsoon is good, water is available, generation will be high. When monsoon is less, means water level is less, definitely it will affect the generation. I am not telling that no, it is not affecting the generation. See, I will give an example of Ganol. Ganol's the maximum capacity is 22.5 megawatt. This time when the pre-monsoon was hitting us, you might have seen those garbages and all these things accumulating there in Ganol. Those few days we generated even 24 megawatt, means 0.5 megawatt per unit we have generated more. So more water means more generation naturally. Loan repayment is not there, but as far the dues are concerned, I told you earlier also that last 2 years we were working hard to repay the dues accumulated for the central utilities like NEPCO, NSPC, even wheeling charge of power grid, ODPC and all these things. Now we have neutralized all. We don't have any dues so far. Then the current charges, maybe this month's charges will be paid next month, or 1-2 months will be there. Not like that 1 year complete due and all this thing. We have some dues with NTPC. That is the dues which accumulate for over the years. It was around 664 crore. We are targeting that by 27 we will neutralize that dues also. So we are working on that.